Indulge in this exquisite recipe for soft and buttery cookies filled with creamy cheese. For the filling, mix cream cheese with powdered sugar and chill while you prepare the dough. In a large bowl, cream extra soft butter with sugar until smooth. Add an egg, dry ingredients, and a hint of red food coloring for a fun twist, or leave it out for a classic chocolate flavor. Gently knead the dough, shape into balls, and place them on parchment paper with some space between each. Bake at 340 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Slightly cool the cookies before serving to enjoy their delicate texture. Check the description for full details.